I'm going to walk you through the steps of how I achieved this updo. I wanted something casual but still off my neck. So we are starting with a little bit of texture in my hair. I curled it earlier, used some texture spray. Now I'm pulling it into a ponytail kind of directly behind my ears, stretching it out to add a little bit of volume. And then my next step is to fold the hair over to my right side. And instead of twisting it under like a French twist, you're just gonna hold it flat against your head and use bobby pins, zigzag side down, pressed into the ponytail, and flatten that section of your hair. You kind of want to aim for the halfway part so you have a little bit of your ends sticking out, but not too much. From there, you'll grab a piece of hair that's hanging towards the bottom and just pull it directly over those bobby pins you just placed to bend the hair in half. This is just a sleek way to finish the look and hide bobby pins. From there, you'll grab a few more bobby pins, stretching the bun part of the ponytail both up and down to kind of make it more of a vertical shape. Don't go side to side. Focus on going to your crown and your nape. Then I'm using my hand to flatten the bun part and pull it a little bit to my left. I've slipped pins in underneath to hide them, and I'm pulling the hair flat as I can to press into the ponytail. I don't want it to be too pronounced of a bun, since really the style here is something a little bit more sleek and understated instead of a really large bun on the back of your head. So the bobby pins help hold the hair a little flatter to the left side. And then you can just tweak and adjust as necessary. Put more pins in if you need more security, or stretch it out to make it look a little bit more lived in. What I like about this is it feels like a French twist with a modern take. I love the ends sticking out if you're looking for a casual style, but you still need your hair off your neck. And my only other tip would be give your hair a little bend before this, even maybe more curl than what I started with, to have your ends softly have a cascading curl to them if you don't like them as straight. I like them straight because it feels modern, but I wanted to give you that extra tip.